Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on hands-on with a super beginner-friendly tool from the Google Cloud, the AppSheet, where you can build your own mobile or web app without writing any code. And yes, this is a part of the Google Arcade Facilitator, but we are here not just to run a batch, but here we will actually learn how the things work. So first of all, what is a Google AppSheet? So basically, it is a no-code development platform where applications which allows the user to create mobile web apps for the tablets and so on. Okay, we are taking the data sources from the Google Drives and so on, and we will here see how it's being started. So to get started, click on the Start Lab and make sure you are in an incognito mode. So as it's get started, you need to use your username and password with the provided details below. Open the Google App Sheet, continue anyway. Okay, sign in with the Google, and here you need to provide the credentials which were given by us here, like this one. And you need to use the password from the here. You should not use your original things. Okay, once you are signed in, open understand. So now you are signed as a student. Allow what are the things that they are asking for, and you will be directed to the actual app sheet page. Okay, now this is just a formatting thing, just remove it. Now let's see what's our first task. So yeah, set up a data on the Google Drive. So most apps need a function. So for our app, as we need some database or something, they have provided us with a spreadsheet. So click on it and we will get started with the things. Okay. So as I already opened it here, or you can say open it and already it's will open here. Okay. Now click on the file and make it for the personal contacts. But before that, you need to sign in as your as this student account. So that would be reflected there. Okay. So close these things. Now click on file, make a copy and paste the name as this thing. Name it as personal contacts. Don't take the full stop also. Okay, paste the thing and make a copy. This would be creating a copy and this would be available in the applet when you create the thing. When you put the database. Okay. The copy is created. Now let's let's move on to the further steps. So it's in the make a copy and it's done. So check the box. So it's ticked. Now create the app. So there are three ways like connect to a data source or search from a user template. So here we are using the data to source which is given by the this spreadsheet. So how to create an app. Now uh, go to the apps folder and click on the create. Go to apps and start with an existing data. Name your app as the given below. Like for the app name, select this one, customer contacts, copy paste the thing. And for the category, they have said the customer engagement. So you can choose it from here and choose your data. From this, you will be directed to this thing. Choose the spreadsheet one. Okay. So yeah, the data has been selected. Now the second thing is then choose your data as we have there and click on the Google Sheets. Select. So it will take some processing time. The next thing is that now in the file picker, select the personal contact spreadsheet that will allow that you save to the drive. Okay, so your customer contacts app is ready. Uh, Now click on the customize with the app sheet and boom, you will see the app editor with a live preview of your app. So that is this thing. So these are the data which we have kept. Now review the app. You should now see the app running in an emulator on the right. So by clicking through the list of the contacts, click on any other contact to see the details like this. So this is the data which we have kept, like the ID, email, first name, last name, and phone number, and so on. All the data is directly pulled from the spreadsheet, no coding, it's already working out of the box. Now let's try to edit some info. Tap on the okay, tap on the pencil icon. Before that, change, like there is another task. Like in the file breaker, select the personal accounts. Uh, on spreadsheet that was saved to the click on the customize with apps to see the editor. Yeah, these all the things have been already done. So check on the progress. Yes, that's completed. Now let's see the preview of the app. Although this doesn't contain any progress assignment, but still we need to see as a part of the learning. So AppSheet has created a new, we have already seen the navigation bar and so on. So like this, we have seen the how easily the thing has been applied to the app. Now you can also change the views, how it would be, you would be able to see this. Okay. The next task is just this is just something you can read it off if you want, like it's a navigation bar like that. And let's move on to the another thing, like the modify your contact information. For the contact, you select the edit icon to edit the person's contact info. Change the first name and the phone number of the contact and click on save. So let's try for that. Don't click this icon. These are the icons which are like if you want to change the app environment, if we want to put this icon or not, these are the editing the app interface or UI you can say. As we want to say the data, edit the data. So we can change it here, like click on any one of the user like this. Uh, for the example, first one, click on the three dots, click on edit, and now you can edit here, like first name, put it as something as red one, and let's put this, change it to 5,000, and click on save. Yeah, the changes have been reflected and saved. Okay. Mm. So according to it, it has been transferred. Now this part has been completed. Now let's see the next one. Add a new contact. To on the contact list page in the live app, we will click on the plus icon to add a new contact. So for that, we can just simply add this button, and you can add anyone. But as the values are pre-given to us, so use them. We use ID should be 51 and the email address test.contact.com at gmail.com. So this is 51 and put the email ID as this thing. Copy the other test values and copy them properly so that they will be evaluated later for your assignment. So it's just a contact. See, the space should not be considered. So be careful with that. Okay. So now click on the save button and that's it. It has been created here. For example, if you want to search it with a 51, I think we need to see, but I don't know how it works. Yeah, it has been saved, so we can see it clearly. Okay, now as we have completed this one, for the search box, first enter last name. Yeah, as I entered the first name as test, we have found the thing. So as we have created the test contact, click on the added a new contact. Your progress will be saved. Now, sync app data. All the changes made so far in the previous one are local within the app and are automatically synced to the underlying data source user to the app. So now, so even though the changes show in the app, they might not be synced to the actual spreadsheet yet. At the top of the preview, click the sync icon. So click on this thing. This will be synced with the data sheet. Okay. So for example, this is the data sheet we are using, and let's try to see this one. Yes, we are seeing the data has been updated here. So this is what we need to see, that the both the things, what the changes we have made will be updated there like a database. Okay. Now, um, as we have updated the sync button, now open your Google Drive, open as we have did the thing. So we can say, and there you go, all the changes have been made from the app you are saving the Google Sheet. Now that's it. I think there is no more thing. But for the data changes, I have already did here. So we can see that the newly added thing here, that is the test changes. Okay. So, and that's it. You just build your first app with a Google App Sheet without writing a single line of code. In this line, you learn how to connect the Google Sheets to the App Sheet, how to create and preview an app, how to update and add the data, and how everything syncs back to the Google Drive. Don't just do this for the bench. Practice these steps and try making your own app with your own data too. Okay. So congratulations. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know the comments. What app do you like to build the next? And until the next time, keep building, keep learning. Thank you. You can now successfully end the lab. So go on to end the lab. Give some rating, your wish. Okay, and submit. There you go. You have successfully finished this module, the Google Action getting started.